What's up guys, so right now it is the next day. I think it will start to rain in a few minutes because the sky is really cloudy, but now I will walk to an old building, so stuff like a castle or something like that. Here just look at the sky, so I think it will begin to rain. Just look at this building behind me, guys. It looks quite interesting with all these plants here. Yeah, down the street here. Looks really cool. And it rains right now, but luckily not that much. Yo, just look at this building. There are palm trees on the top of these balconies. And now over the road here on a bridge. Oh guys, now it starts to rain really heavy. Luckily there is a top and that way. Yo, so I think now I'm there. This is this park here, Fort Canning Park. Yeah, and there should be a few old buildings or castle or something like that, but just have a look. What is there? Yo guys, I found a bird like there. Do you know what kind of bird it is? It looks like a chicken, but I don't know if it is a chicken. Oh, there's another one here. No, these aren't chickens. What the hell is this? It's raining really hard, but it's not cold. It's 30 degrees, so yeah, it isn't bad at all, but it rains really hard. So now I'm here at the park, and that looks really cool because there is a house behind me there, and yeah, right now it's raining really hard. You can see it here, and if you step outside there you're completely wet, so yeah, I think I will just wait here. OMG guys, look at this, what I found there. There is a cannon here. Oh, it rains so hard, but have a look here. A cannon, oh nice. It aims to the town. It's like if this was an old castle here or something like that. Guys, now I put on my cap because when it rains it's just like a little umbrella. Yeah. Now let's walk a little bit and let's see what there is. Just look at these plants here. Why are they so red? Here they are so red. I don't know what this is. It looks crazy. Yo, look at this big building here. That looks cool. It looks like a really big villa or something like that. Yo, I just walked here and look what I found there. That's crazy. This is a stairwell, but it looks absolutely stunning here. And down there, this is also crazy here. Here, this looks so nice, so crazy. I think I will put down my phone there to make a picture. Yeah. So I think now I would like to go to a shopping mall to buy something to eat. Down there was this crazy stairwell. That looks absolutely crazy. Yo guys, so now I will find a restaurant where I can eat, or yeah, I think I will eat something warm. I think I will eat something at this Chinese restaurant here. It seems to be cheap. So I just ordered this. This is with chicken, and this, I don't know what this is. I think I will taste it. Yeah. It seems to be something sweet with like jelly in it or something like that. But it tastes good, yes. So I'm on my way back to the hotel. I think in round about 1 hour it's getting dark. Yo, so now I get back to the hotel, get a shower, and then I will go outside when it's dark. Maybe to the gardens with the big trees with the LED lights again. Oh, here you can see an old building. I think in front of there, this is from the castle, where also the cannon stands. Let's walk through this entry. So it's dark already now, and I'm on my way to the central city, and I have my camera with me, and maybe I will do some pics. So I set my camera up and I will stand there, and then I will make a picture of me. So yes, I think in the end I will show you the picture. Okay guys, so I walked down to Gardens to the Bay, where the lighted big trees are, but I saw that the LED lights aren't on anymore, so they are off. So I don't walk there. I think I will go down there to the town, and maybe I will take a few more pictures. I decided to go back to the hotel and look at the pictures I've done. Okay guys, now I'm on my way to the hotel. So I think now I will eat something and then go to sleep. So see you tomorrow. Bye.